I'm Chanel from Stampin Stilettos. Today I am really excited to be showing you how to make a sticker storage book for less than 25 pence. Yes, that's how much it cost me to make this sticker book, these sticker books, 25 pence each. Now, I had done a video going back a week or so ago on the Happy Planner sticker books, and they cost around £10. They're brilliant. And also I will be showing you how to make a Happy Planner sticker book for £5 or just under £5 using the components from the Happy Planner system. But I was sat in bed the other night, excuse me, and I was doing some junk journaling and just watching a couple of videos, etc. And it suddenly dawned on me, I can actually make these sticker books so much cheaper. Now, everyone has charity shops, car boots, libraries sell books, you know, there's pages missing or whatever. So I went to my charity shop and I picked up a load of books. And these books cost me, I got 4 for £1. And look, these are my Happy Planner stickers. And look, I now have a complete book of stickers, and all you have to do if you want a sticker is you just do that and you have your sticker. So this is, look at it, it's just totally full with stickers, and it holds, you know, depending on how thick your book is, it holds an awful lot. That's one that I did. This is another one. Did this in a different style, but actually this was a little bit more time consuming, and I realized that there was an easier way of doing it. And then this one I sat and did this morning, or started this morning. So let me tell you what you're going to need to make these books. So you will need an old book, okay? So you get, I lose the cover. Now, if you've got one that's got a pretty decent cover on it, then, you know, you don't need to do anything with it. And I'll get to covering the spine later. So we lose that. Now, what you need to do, you need to try and find a book that has, it's kind of all of the pages are joined rather than in signatures. So you can see from that all of the pages are joined, and you've got to thin your book out, because when you put your stickers on, they're going to be a lot thicker than the pages. So what I do is I basically count 4 pages, and then I just go ahead and rip 4 pages out. Now you want to try and make sure that you get all of these bits here if you can. That one didn't come out very clean. And you just want to do 4 pages, and then another one. Oops, we're going to take, now sometimes you will need to take an extra page out. It does not matter. It doesn't matter if you take 3 out, 2 out, or whatever. You just need to thin your book out. This is just the way I do it. I just go through a few and then tear out the next couple. And you have got to do this all the way through the book so that you thin it out evenly. So we're just going to pull these out like this. Now I'm not going to sit here and do the whole book, okay? So that's what you need to do first. That's your first stage, is thinning your book out. Now this book here has been thinned out, and you can see that, you know, from the bit here, that is a lot thinner. I might even need to thin it out a bit more. Then you just basically start sticking your sticker pages on. Now, as I've already started this one, no, we'll go back to the old one actually, because I can still start it even though I haven't finished the pages. Now, let me grab my glue. Now, I use, you can use a glue, hang on, you can use a, oh, sorry, this isn't coming out very good, Let me just grab some tissue here. Right, okay, what you want to do is you need obviously glue to put the pages down. Now you can use a glue, what are they called? Oh my goodness me. You know, the rolly things, the glue things. You can use a snail. You just don't want it too wet. Now, you would have seen from my video the other day the amount of stickers that I have sat in here. Now, I'm going to be working with these kind of standard size sticker pages, which you have to make sure that you get a book that will fit those in. Excuse me, like so. That one's too tall. So you need to find a book that is obviously tall enough for your stickers. And then all you have to do is basically grab some glue. If it's going to decide to come out. This is an old glue of mine, and it's proving to be a bit messy. And then all you need to do is stick your sticker pages down like that. And then you'll go to, oops, the next page. And these are so cool because, you know, these will sit on your shelf really nice and neatly. Oh, come on. It's not having any of it, is it? You know, these will sit so much, you know, nicer on your shelf rather than all higgledy-piggledy in your boxes or your basket. So we're just going to do this, and you just go through your stickers, and we're just going to stick these pages down. So really it is super easy to do, and I sit there while I'm watching the TV and have done it just like that, and you just keep going. And then all your stickers are all in one place. And actually, you know, if you get a really thick book, you can get an awful lot of stickers in there. You really can. I think one of those books has got over 100 pages of stickers, you know, sticker sheets. So you think how much room that takes up elsewhere. You can just then put it on a bookcase, and you can, you know, colour code them so you know, or write on the, you know, the spine. But I'll show you how to decorate the spine in a minute. I'm just going to put a few more down to show you that you kind of get the gist. That is all there is to it. Honestly, it is super easy, and I just love it. For 25p and a bit of glue. Oh, and alright, duct tape, but you don't need to decorate the spine if you don't want to. I just have found duct tape, pattern duct tape recently, so I'm kind of into it very much so. So this is what it will look like. You've just got your pages of stickers, but you've got them all in one place. So I will continue that off camera, but I'll show you very quickly how to, let me just move this out of the way. Now, you'll see from these books that I have decorated the spines in different patterns, and that's me. I can sort of know which one is which from which book, or just from the covers even. But look at these pretty duct tapes that you can get. Oh my goodness me, cat paws or dog paws, but unicorns, and this lovely gold. And today we're going to be using on this book this lovely is it fleur-de-lis, would you call it? I think so, something like that. And you just need, oh, it is super sticky, so it doesn't come off. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut a straight edge across here. I would do if it wasn't so super sticky. one. Right, there you go. And then you just want to, what I do is I kind of eyeball it to how much I want. And then I go and cut it. And then what I'll do is I'll go and tidy it up while it's actually on the book. So we're just going to take our book and we're going to line this up with the top here and center it. You can always go back and trim it up after if you need to. And we're just going to run that down the spine of the book like that. Is that right on the top there? I'm just going to do that, and then what I'm going to do is just pinch that in just so that I can mark where to cut it. I think it's about there. And look how easy that is. So when they're on the shelf, you will know by your colour coding or whatever which book it is. And there you have it. So how easy is it to make a sticker book? Just fantastically easy. I was so super excited when I sat there and thought, oh my gosh, this is what I can do. I can make sticker books, and you know, they are just fantastic to keep all your stickers. I mean, look how many pages of stickers are here and how tidy and neat this all looks. Look, it's a book. And plus your other half won't know how many stickers you have. They'll think you're just reading a lot. See, there's a very sneaky way about it. See, you just say, well, yeah, I'm getting into my books. Little do they know, look, you can hide all your stickers. Super cool. But I hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial on a very inexpensive way to make sticker books and for sticker storage. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Take care. Have a lovely weekend. Bye-bye.